VS Code or Z? Which modern code editor wins in 2026? One is already the industry standard, the other is a new ultra-fast challenger built for modern workflows. Choosing the wrong one could mean either sticking with stability or missing next-gen performance. Let's talk about VS Code. It's a mature, widely adopted editor with a massive extension ecosystem. It supports almost every language, includes built-in Git, debugging tools, AI extensions, and works reliably for everything from web dev to back-end systems. It's stable, flexible, and battles tested. Now let's look at Z, a modern code editor built for speed and collaboration. It's designed to feel instant, fast startup, smooth typing, and low latency even in large projects. One of its standout features is real-time collaborative coding, making it ideal for teams working together in the same file. The biggest difference is ecosystem versus performance. So which one is better? If you want a reliable all-in-one editor with huge community support, VS Code is the better choice. If you want a lightweight, ultra-fast, modern coding experience, Z is a stronger option. VS Code versus Z. Now you know which editor fits your workflow in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tools comparisons just like this.